Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix Krisp AI installation errors. If Krisp AI won't install, the installation gets stuck, fails with an error message, or the setup doesn't complete successfully, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective solutions to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the latest version of Krisp AI. Also, verify that you're downloading the installer from the official Krisp website to avoid corrupted or outdated installation files. Next, restart your computer before running the installer. This closes background processes that may interfere with the installation. After restarting, right-click the Krisp AI installer and choose *Run as administrator if you're using Windows. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to copy files correctly. If the installation still fails, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software. In some cases, security programs may mistakenly block certain installation files. Once Krisp AI is installed successfully, you can enable your security software again. Another important step is to check your available disk space. If your system drive is nearly full, the installation may not complete. Free up some storage and then run the installer again. You should also make sure your operating system is fully updated. Installing the latest Windows or macOS updates can resolve compatibility issues that prevent software from installing correctly. If you've previously installed Krisp AI, completely uninstall the old version before installing the latest one. Restart your computer after uninstalling to remove any remaining temporary files or background services. If the installer continues to fail, download a fresh copy of the latest installer from the official Krisp website. The original download may have become corrupted or incomplete. And that's how to fix Krisp AI installation errors. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026.